Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites: phone and PC on the same Wi-Fi network and the same Microsoft account signed in. Open phone link on your PC and the link to Windows app on your phone. Allow requested permissions for contacts, SMS, and media. Tap the pairing QR code or follow the manual code entry on your phone. Once paired, the apps will negotiate connection settings. Make sure to accept prompts for notifications and background activity to keep the link stable. Continue by configuring the features you need. Turn on notifications, messages, photos, and calls in phone link settings, then customize permission levels so the PC can access each service. Disable battery optimization for link to Windows on your phone so background sync runs consistently. If your Wi-Fi is unreliable, switch to a USB connection for faster transfers. Once configured, test by sending an SMS from your PC and opening a phone photo. This proves the finish by verifying call and camera settings. Give microphone and camera permissions and choose your PC audio devices during a test call. Once done, fine-tune notification filters and keyboard shortcuts for faster use. If a feature disappears, make sure both apps are updated, then sign out and reauthorize the connection to refresh tokens. One key troubleshooting tip: if syncing still fails, clear the link to Windows cache or reinstall the phone app. This resolves most persistent permission or pairing issues and gets you back to work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.